everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how you can book a table through Dine-In feature in your app. First, open the app in your device. Go to Dine-In. You will see a list of restaurants. Tap on the location to change it. As soon as you change the location, you will see the restaurants present in that area. Select the restaurant you desire. Tap the phone icon to call the restaurant if you would like. Tap Call Waiter and select the table number to call the waiter. Tap here to call for the bill and select your table to request your bill. Now let's make an order. Tap Place Order. Select the food item you desire and add it to your cart. Tap the cart icon to go to your cart. You can change the food items and their quantity from here. Type in a coupon code and push apply if you have one. Here you can also check the payment details. Tap Checkout to make the payment. Select your table number and type any instructions you may have. Select your billing address and tap Continue to pay. Choose your desired payment method and tap Confirm. Tap Send Invoice after reviewing your order. You can open the drop-down menu and tap My Orders to see your orders. Tap View Items to check the food items. To reorder the same food item, tap Reorder. You can even provide your ratings and review by tapping Post Review. That is all for now. Thank you for watching.